That is pretty.
A whole family of birds in the nest.
That is pretty.
I'm gonna take it for a minute. Put it on my side. Go on in.
There's a little baby open her mouth.
Oh no. Hello, little birdies. Hello. Mama and Daddy, the whole family's home. Look, babies. Oh. Oh, look at them. The whole family's home. Tried to make a move. They're not paying me any attention, which means they feel very secure. Come on, stick your head up, little birdie. Mama, Papa, babies need food. Go get them some. Oh, look at the baby sticking his head up. Uh-oh, Papa seen a bug. Go get him, Dad.